I welcome our chief guest, Mr. Balu Veladayam, National Head Sales and Executive Director of Global Gardener and State Head of Tamil Nadu. I welcome our State Head and Executive Director, Mr. Devraj. I welcome all Master Channel Partners, Assistant Channel Partners, and all GGNs. So today we will be having a wonderful session with our trainer. Now I would like our regional director, Mr. Sandeep, to have a pleasant task.
Thank you, Chairman. I think it is really a pleasant task only to introduce this great personality. So I don't know. I've just taking a different try to introduce Balu sir. I mean, what to say about this gentleman? This gentleman is a multi-talented personality. He is a agriculturist. He's an entrepreneur. He's a leader. He's a social reformer. He's a good speaker. He's a trainer. He's a good husband. So there are, the dictionary goes short to introduce this gentleman. But just I'm trying to with his name. I'm just trying to tell him B stands for he's actually a true beginner because always the leader says they start with the end in mind. Begin with the end in mind. I think probably Balu sir, if the Global Garner what we are seeing today, this is the version 2 of Global Garner. This is the rebirth of Global Garner, and probably Balu sir was the most instrumental person in this rebirth, and so he is a true beginner. His ability, A stands for ability. His skill, his aptitude to perform the team. That's the great thing of him, and he's a very likable leader. L stands for likable. He's a likable leader in JCI fraternity. He's a past national president, which has seen the greatest benchmarks, which has been set one of the world's largest youth organization, which India has seen setting a great trend. Also, he has served as an international vice president in the service of organization. He stands for accurate. His decisions are very right at the right minute, because sometimes when to change the shift gear, that he knows very well. He is truly a visionary leader, because probably when the true visionary in the sense, because how really this cashback really works, and I think his vision only showed that probably he will be the first person in Global Garner who will be earning a 1 crore from one UPV also. So he is a true visionary, is an energetic personality. He stands for energetic, and he's a loving father. A loving father. He is been very aggressive in taking decisions too, because probably I heard that because when he attended the seminar in Global Garner for first time, the one day prior he left because of his time schedule, but he left. But the right moment, the decision what he took from there, yes, I am into this business. Probably in the month of February 2020 was he took the decision, and he has changed the entire perspective of Global Garner version 2 to all of us. And he's a great agriculturist. Y stand for yield. He's a very understanding, a compassionate leader, because he has always seen the young people also growing, and he has taken them to the next level. He's a most talented personality, because why I'm telling is, whether it is in business, whether it is in JCI, you take any walk of life, is a really a talented personality. But this nature of yet stands for humble, because he's one of the most humble leader, where we have not seen any sort of success which has not gone above his head, because he's a stand talling leader, a very humble, and also A stand for ambitious, because I think he had a very clear vision where to take Global Garner, because that's the only reason from the first executive director of Global Garner, first person to getting elevated as a national head for sales for entire Global Garner India, is the ambition and the charm what he has. And of course, his M stands for magnetic. So this is rightly I'm presenting to you Mr. Bala Velayudham, the first executive vice president and also the national head sales for Global Garner, who is whatever he's going to talk today, it is not just theory, because he's a personality who has proven that walk the talk. So whatever he has done, it will be really inspirational session to you. I think you should tell all your friends to join this meeting. 100 is the limit. We have only 16 more seats, 15 more seats. Invite your friends, because this will be a phenomenal session, my dear friends. All the very best. Thank you, Chairman, and thank you, my stated, for giving me this opportunity to introduce this great gentleman. Thank you.
Thank you, Sandeep. Like it was very a nice introduction, and without any wasting time, I don't want to waste our precious time, which is of 1 hour. The floor is yours, Balu sir. Like, please guide us.
Thank you, Chairman Sridhar, stated of Karnataka, my good friend Deva, a person who introduced fantastically well in a different format. Sandeep, really it is a creative introduction. And my dear friends of Global Garner family and friends and family members of Global Garner Karnataka team, it's a great evening to be present over here. I think I can take a short session of user benefits, and I want to take this session as an interactive session, because I can play a dual role. I think here, being the trainer of today's program, I can take a training for 15-20 minutes or maximum half an hour. And rest of the time, I would like to use it as a national head sales, where I can get a lot of interaction with people. I think today we have got a wonderful crowd of 90. I hope so it will be hitting 100 also. So it will be a great opportunity to interact with 100 people of our family members. So it is a great time. Thank you so much for this opportunity, Deva. My dear friends, first of all, it was a nice introduction from Sandeep. But I don't know how Sandeep has said a lot of things which will not fit me. I think he said, I am a nice husband. You should ask this question from a testimonial from my wife. And he said, I am a good speaker and a trainer. That you have to ask from the affected persons whenever I am taking the training program. So all these things, a lot of things will not fit me, I think. So anyhow, it was a great, creative, nice introduction. Sandeep, thank you so much. My dear friends, without wasting much time, we will go into the program. First, we will have a short introduction about the user, how the user can benefit from Global Garner. Then we can go into the further sessions. So here I want to talk about the user. Just excuse me. So first, thank you. First, I will talk about the user benefits of Global Garner. As Sandeep was talking about I went to last year for the introduction program of Global Garner. It is really, whatever he said, these are the paths, it is really true. It is a version 2 of Global Garner we are seeing. I was there in Ahmedabad last February. 10, 11, 12, 13 was the days, but I want to leave a day early. But the one thing which attracted most in Global Garner was user benefit, something which is fantastic we are going to get. My dear friends, user is the most beneficial person in Global Garner, I can say. So user benefits is something amazing, where a user can earn a cashback, and a person who is coming as a user in Global Garner or a leader in Global Garner, the main area of benefit where he can reap the benefit or where he can reap the leadership benefit is by user benefit. This is one of my favorite area, I can say, out of 4 areas in Global Garner. How a user will be able to earn in Global Garner, how bringing in a user will benefit the leaders. Since today there are many leaders over here, and mostly I think all the 100 people will be all digital mall owners, right? Deva or Sridhar?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I want to take it in how, as a Global Garner team member of a digital mall owner, how you can benefit by bringing in more users to Global Garner. See, I will give you a simple formula. With this formula, you think over how we can benefit as in only one segment in Global Garner. Just give me sorry, some more PPT has stuck. Excuse me, I will just put. Okay, fine. Hope my screen is visible. So,
Yes, sir.
okay, fine. So user benefits. First, as a leader, as a user, or as a digital model owner of the Global Gardener, you have to build your digital model. So, for building up that, you have to bring in new users for the Global Gardener. So, for bringing in new users, I'm requesting you, what is the formula we can adopt? Sorry. Somehow, just hold on again. The PPT is some challenges. Just hold on. PPT is having some challenges. So my first question as a digital model owner, I request you to use the chat box also. So how much time it will take for you to bring in a new user? I'm requesting you one thing. How much time it will take for you to bring in a new user into Global Gardener?
Recording.
Can you use a chat box? 2 minutes, 1 hour, 2 minutes, 2 hours, 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Anandan is saying 5 to 10 minutes. Lakshmi is saying 10 minutes. Sadanand is saying 1 minute, 10 minutes, repeated sessions, 1 hour, 10 minutes, 5 minutes. So, okay. Thank you for all your responses. It was a fantastic response. You take how much time it will take to bring in a user? Somebody says it is maximum 1 hour. Somebody says it's 2 minutes. My dear friends, when we speak openly, 2 minutes will not be enough to bring in a new user. To bring in a new user, it will take minimum 15 minutes to explain the concept of Global Gardener, how to create a UPV, or how to use a cashback and bring in a new user. So if you take 15 minutes also, it is going to be, if you are able to spend daily minimum 1 hour to max you 2 hours in Global Gardener. Today we will see what is the result we will be getting in Global Gardener. So I have put a star there. The star means there is always a condition. Today my condition, what I am saying to you people is, the user you are bringing into Global Gardener should create minimum 1 UPV per month. That is the bare minimum requirement. You have to identify such kind of users. See, today a person will be minimum spending 20,000 rupees to run his family per month. Out of that 20,000, let him do 10,000 rupees in Global Gardener. I am not requesting, or I am not asking to spend the entire amount through Global Gardener also. Initially, let him spend minimum 10,000 rupees in Global Gardener. My dear friends, before creating a user, I want to give you one user pitch, how you can bring in new users. Please don't go and say to the new user that you spend 10,000 rupees in my circle, you will be getting 1 crore rupees. Kindly don't use that pitch to bring in the new users, because the users will immediately get a disbelief, or they will be not accepting the fact of Global Gardener, because this is the unique thing which is happening only in Global Gardener. So if you go and say that, see, today you spend 10,000 rupees, you are going to earn 1 crore rupees, nobody will be ready to believe. My dear friends, once you approach a new user, you tell him that for 100 rupees benefit to get, we are going mad like on online shopping. Why people are purchasing in Amazon? Because it is cheaper. Even it is 10 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 1,000 rupees cheaper, people buy in Amazon. Likewise, if you want, tell the user that, see, Global Gardener is a platform where you spend anything through our network, you will be getting a cashback. The next question, how much cashback will you be getting? You tell them, the user, that 200 rupees you will get as a cashback if you spend 200 rupees. That is 2%. That is something very good cashback for the user. What will be the response from that guy? he'll be saying yes, maximum, because he is getting benefits. Where if you are purchasing from Amazon, you purchase from Amazon, but whatever discount you get in Amazon, you get it from Amazon. Additional 200 rupees we will be giving, because in IC immediate IC cashback, instant cashback, the minimum cashback is 2%. So 200 rupees you will be getting. Tell him that he will be happy. So make him as a user and make him to spend 10,000 rupees or 1,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees in a IC. That guy will be getting 200 rupees. If once he gets 200 rupees, he will be happy. You monitor that person and you call that person. Are you happy with 200 rupees cashback? That person will be generally saying yes. Then you say, sir, if you are ready to wait for some more time, you will be getting more cashback. Automatically, what will be the next question from that guy? Yes, what will be the cashback? Right? So you tell to them that, sir, if you spend 10,000 rupees in Global Ghana, this time you got 200 rupees. Next time you spend it, you wait for some time, you will get 500 rupees. Naturally, the person will be asking how much time. You take for my circle, if you're selecting my circle, it will take minimum 6 to max 1 year you take. Minimum 6 months it will take, sir. In 6 months, you will be getting 500 rupees. Once that user starts spending and he gets that 500 rupees, you tell him that he will call you, or you can call him, and by backup you say that, sir, you have got 500 rupees. This will not stop here. It will keep on continuing for your lifetime. It will come, lot of income will come. How much he will ask, you say to them that you will get 30 lakhs as a cashback. Again, you explain about GigiCoin, because after getting 500 rupees, his belief system will start building within himself. So this is how you have to tap the users. This is the one of the best pitch for bringing in users for Global Ghana. So what is the condition we have put at? You have to identify a user who creates minimum 1 UPV per month. Okay. If it creates, what will happen? We will see what will be the result if it is going on this. If you is able to create 3 users per day, you spend time to create only 3 users per day, you should be ready to work for 1 year. If you are ready to work for 1 year with 3 users, I will tell you what will be the benefit you will be getting. See, 3 users if you are bringing per day, so 30 days, how much users we will be getting? 90 users as a user. Then 90 users is creating per month into 12 months. Per month you will be creating 90 users. For 12 months you will be creating 1080 users. So 1 user creates 1 UPV per month. Okay. So we will calculate, we will start calculating how many UPVs you will be getting in 1 year. Okay. So first month, how much you will be getting? Daily 3 users. After 1 month, each user is able to create 1 UPV. So you should have created 90 users. 90 users should have created 90 UPVs. Second month, somebody has raised the hand. Wait for some time. After this session, we will go for a question answer session. I will try to clarify all your doubts. Okay. So second month, already existing 90 users. Again, you will be creating 90 new users. That existing new user creates 90 UPVs this month, and again the new user creating 90, so it will be 180. So what will happen in the third month? This 180 plus again 90 new users will create. They will bring in 90 UPVs to 270 UPVs. So it will keep on adding like this. By the end of the 12th month, you will be able to get 7,020 UPVs in your dashboard, right? So your business transaction will also increase in your UPOS. So can you calculate, somebody, if you are working like this, can you create what will be the business volume in your UPOS? Digital Mall, 7,020 into 10,000. Can you put it in your chat box? So whenever you are attending a session for Global Garner, please sit with a calculator. 70 lakhs, it's wrong. Nah, yeah, Srisha was right. Almost 7.2 crores we should have created a business turnover in our UPAS. Right? This is going to create an amazing benefit for as a UPAS owner. You take for 7 crores, you calculate 1% as your UPAS income. What will be the income for UPAS? Can you put it in chat box? You take just 1% as an income out of this UPAS income. So 7 crores, 1%, what will be your income in UPAS? 7 lakhs will be your income in UPAS, right? Fantastic. Thank you. So 7,020 UPVs you will be creating, and your UPAS should have earned, if you are able to achieve this figure, your UPAS should have earned minimum 7 lakh rupees. Right? I will come to the next point. What will be the income structure? What this 7,020 UPVs will do if you are putting this UPVs in MySERV. Okay. So 7,020 UPVs, you take an average of minimum 1,000 rupees cashback within 1 year. 1 year, if that user is there, let him create only 1,000 rupees cashback per year. The user should have received 70 lakhs 20,000 as a cashback. Right? It is not a benefit for us, it is a benefit for users. Users should 7,020 UPVs after 1 year should have created minimum 1,000 rupees cashback. The cashback earned will be 70 lakhs 20,000 from the user side in MySERV. Out of that, what will I get? My income will be, since the referral income is 10% of the cashback, you will be earning 7 lakh 20,000 rupees as a cashback. Right? So per month, your average income will be 58,500 rupees. If you work for 1 year, the rest of the life, this will be a minimum guaranteed income, which will come automatically to your user wallet for working for 1 year of benefits. Right? So this, if this is coming for 1 year, what will be my future? For 1 year of work, you will be getting monthly 58,500. Then in future, what will be your benefit? 7,020. I am not calculating GG coins. You leave out GG coins, whatever is earned. Minimum 30 lakhs you will be getting in MySERV, right? So these 7,020 UPVs creating 30 lakhs as a cashback. Can anybody calculate and put it out? What is the user should have earned in the cashback? So chat box is still empty. Finding it very difficult to calculate the zeros and crores. 2,106 crores. 2 crores is long. 2,106 crores will be user cashback. They might have got it. So out of, if you are getting 2,100 crores, what will be my income? %10 of that referral income, you will be getting 210 crores and 60 lakhs. You take it, the MyCircle is completing maximum by 10 years or 15 years, you take it. Even after 10 years, you are getting, this is a huge income for your 1 year of investment, right? My income for 1 year of work. Or then automatically, once these users will start getting the cashbacks, You plow that cash back, then automatically your user base will income. You imagine your future income. I am saying this to 210 crores will not come at the end of the 10th year. Even if you put in fixed deposit, in doubling scheme also, your investment at the end of the 8.5 years, almost 9 years only, you will be able to see that income in FD, whatever you are investing. But here, without any investment, this income 210 crores will not get it in the 10th year or 15th year. Every year, every day, every minute, every second, you will be getting a cashback. Right? So this is a huge income for a user. For all this, how much you are putting? Your investment will be zero. Am I right or wrong? With zero investment, the person will be able to earn so much of money. I think no business in the entire universe will match you with this business. Right? This is a fantastic business as far as your thing is concerned. Moreover, once you get user into this habit, once user starts getting cash back, what will happen? No. See, I put it one more screen also. See, within 1 year of time, our Tamil Nadu circle has started in the year 20th May 2020. I have started. I was the first person who was starting my circle in my state. So think about what can you somebody see what is the cashback I have earned till it is was 15 days back. Today it should have gone another 4,000-5,000 rupees extra. Can you use a chat box? What is my cashback? Can anybody read it out and put it in the chat box? 3,596 rupees. It was almost 10 days back. Okay. Within 1 year, my cashback was 300 rupees, 3 lakh rupees. Okay. You want to see what has happened? See, can you see what is the UPV number 403 was in the bottom? Can anyone see what is the amount I have earned in that UPV number 403? And put it in chat box. $49,994. Today it has crossed almost 50,500. Okay, 50,000 rupees I have got earned as a my one UPV has earned 50,000 rupees. This is only cashback. Okay, then what will be the? It is in the level 5. So level 5 I have completed, and it is on the 6th level. So if I should have completed level 5. You should have, can anyone put it in chat box? What is the Gigi coin I should have burnt or earned? When I am completing level 5, what will be my Gigi coin income? Chat box is still empty. Still I am waiting for the answers. Sorry, 10,000 rupees, 10,000. 10,000 is for completing 4th level. If I have completed, somebody has put it 30K, that is also wrong. If I have completed 5th level, again 18,000 rupees I should have earned, right? 18,000 Gigi coins. So in Gigi coins, apart from this 50,000, I have earned 28,000 rupees as a Gigi coin money. That will include, so my 10,000 rupees earned 78,000 rupees. By spending 10,000, I have earned 78,000 rupees in Global Garner for sitting in a state of Tamil Nadu. For that, what I have made investment, nothing. Right? So, my dear friends, this is what I want to share with you. What will be a user income? I am not putting it into any theory. This is all my practical. This is what happened to my cashback in my state. When I started in last February and March, we started, and April we have purchased the UPass. Within a years of time, it has happened. Even today, you are a single person. Each digital mall owner or each ACP or each CP or each partner is a single person. If you start building a team like us, within 1 year, under this structure will be there. Then you see how much you have earned, what will be the great benefit in Global Garner. Once you explain this benefit in these kind of benefits to users, definitely you will be getting more and more users for Global Garner. This is what a short experience I want to share you about the user cashback. I have shared you with a testimonial what will happen. See, if this could happen to me today, this will happen to you also tomorrow. Only thing, you have to work hard and be with us. But frankly speaking, I have not brought in daily 3 users. If I should have brought in then that formula of 3 users daily, then you think about what will be my more cashback. Okay. So think about this. Definitely, if you are going to do this, your UPOS income will start, digital mall income will start increasing. Your user cashback also will start increasing. Once you increase the user base, everything will fall on track. Today, people might say, sir, I have purchased a digital mall. I have not got an income. How many users you have? Sir, I have got only 1 user. Who is that? It is me. Whether you are spending your 100% income in 100% expenses in my UPAS, no, sir. Whenever I think, I will do it. If we are taking in this manner, definitely Global Garner is not a business. Once if it is a business, you have to spend time and start building up a business. Think over, if a engineer, construction engineer is starting engineer after completing is starting a business of engineering. Whether he thinks that, okay, I have been an engineer, now I will build construct a home for myself. So for 1 crore, if he is spending, you should have spent, you should have saved around maximum how much? 10 lakh rupees. After that, what will happen? No new customer comes, nothing will happen. Now, most of us, I know that we are using Global Garner like that for self-use only. If you are taking it as a business and you are taking it to the next level, start building a user base, automatically things will fall on track. Okay, this is what I want to share with you from my side. Now you can ask for any questions, almost 35-40 minutes is over. Ask for any questions, I am ready to interact with you for the question answer session.